Hi first graders, today we are working on lesson 4.12. We are working on using place value to compare numbers. Before we get started, I want you to do a little bit of a warm-up. I want you to practice counting to 100. Clap each time you reach a new 10. So remember, those are the decade numbers. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. You should give it a clap each time you reach one of those numbers. Okay, when you're done with that, you can play the video again. All right, so we are going to be doing comparing numbers. So we've learned this before, but we always want to review to make sure that you know exactly what we're doing before we start. So this symbol means left than. Left than. Teachers make mistakes too. It says less than, and it points to the left. Okay, this symbol here means equal to or the same as. And this symbol here means greater than. And it is pointing to the right. And remember, when we read our numbers or our sentence that include these, we start at the left and we go to the right. And the mouth always wants to eat the greater number. I will show you a little bit more about that in this slide. Okay, here's some examples to review. So less than, you can see kind of the symbol hiding in there. It's pointing to the left. And when we read from left to right, it says 2 is less than 7. We can see that right here in our equation. 2 is less than 7. Equal to in the middle means the same as. So 5 is the same as 5, or 5 is equal to 5. Greater than is pointing to the right, and it's eating up that bigger number. Can you see that? Either way, the alligator wants to eat the bigger number. So when we read it from left to right, we would say 8 is greater than 3. Okay, let's do some work with this. So I'm going to write some numbers up here to compare, and I'm going to show both numbers using 10 sticks and circles and use the signs to compare. So for example, if I was going to compare 14 and 41, I need to show both numbers using 10 sticks and circles. So if you have your math board with you at home, you can do this along with me. So we have 14, oops, made a mistake. There we go. 14 has 1 10 and 4 1s. And 41 has 4 10s and 1. Okay, so now we have to take these symbols here and make it true. So we have to decide, is 14 less than 41? Is 14 greater than 41? Or is 14 equal to or the same as 41? Well, let's look at our drawings to help us figure it out. Which one is worth more? Okay, if I told you that I was going to give you either $14 or $41, which one do you want? Yep, you would want 41. And to answer our question, we're going to put in 14 is less than 41. Okay, you could pretend here like this is the alligator and it's going to eat the 41. And less than is pointing to the left. Remember, we read it from this side to this side. 14 is less than 41. Okay, let's try another one. All right, the next two numbers I want to compare are 52 and 13. I need to use a 10 stick and circles to show my numbers. So first let's do 52. How many 10s? There are 5. So we would say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many extra ones? 1, 2. Okay, our number is 13. How many 10s? There is 1. And how many extra ones? 3. All right, we need to compare. We have to decide, is it greater than or less than? So remember, we're going to start at the left. So is 52 greater than 13? Is 52 less than 13? Or is 52 the same as 13? Which one is worth more? You're right, it's 52. So we have to make the alligator eat that bigger number. Okay, right here. Pretend like the teeth are chomping this way. Okay, good job. We always want to look at the tens first, okay, right here. If we're not going to draw the picture, but since we draw the picture, it's easier for us to see. One more. All right, now we're going to compare these two numbers, 15 and 15. Some of you might know right off the bat. Is 15 less than 15? Is 15 greater than 15? Or is 15 equal to 15? I'll make the drawing just in case. Okay, so this has 1 10 and 5 ones. This has 1 10 and 5 ones. Do these look the same? Yes, they do. So 15 is equal to or the same as 15, right? If you get 15 cookies and I get 15 cookies, it's equal. It is the same. All right, good job on that. Now this is something that you can choose to do with your homework helper. So you would take those secret code cards we used yesterday, the blue ones, make the tens and ones piles again with the number side down. So each of you are going to draw a card and compare your numbers. Now I want you to write them down. So record the comparison in two ways, showing the greater number first and then showing the lesser number first. Make sure you're using the right sign. So if you want to pause on this slide, you can use this as a guide down here. I'm missing equal to in here, but that one's easy. After that, come to your workbook page, please. And that one will be page 177. So we have to compare the numbers. We're going to write greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, so for the first two, they make the drawing for us so that it's easy for us to see. Okay, 30 and 25. We have to decide, is 30 greater than 25? Is 30 less than 25? Or is 30 equal to 25? What do you think, friends? Yep, 30 is greater than. That's right, so we're going to make the greater than sign like this. Good. Let's do number 2. We have 23 and 28. We have to start from left and go to the right. So is 23 greater than 28? No. Is 23 less than 28? Yes. So it's going to point to the left, and it's eating up that bigger number. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay? I want you to give it a shot for number 3 through 11. Friends, if you have to draw the picture, it's not a big deal, okay? It's better that you do what you have to do to get the answer right. So if you want to draw this out, you can. Or if you can look at the tens place and see which number is bigger and go from there, that would be good too. Okay, so we have to compare the number 2 ways and write the numbers. So we're going to start off with just the way it gives us. So we're going to write 53. See if I can do this in a nicer way. There we go. 53 and 54. Now we have to put in the symbol. So remember, our choices are greater than, less than, or equal. Okay, when we're going from left to right, we're going to say 53 is greater than 54, 53 is less than 54, or 53 is the same as 54. Well, is 53 greater than 54? No. 53 less than 54. Good. Now underneath, we have to switch the numbers around, okay? We have to compare it the other way. So now we're going to put 54 first and 53 second. Okay, and that's going to change things a little bit because now 54 is over here. So we're going to say 54 is greater than 53, 54 is less than 53, or 54 is the same as 53. And you already told me up here that 54 is greater, so we just have to flip that sign. And so it's going to chomp, chomp, chomp over to eat this one. Okay, I want you to do number 13, 14, and 15 by yourself. Use this as an example to help you out. Then we're going to flip to the back side. Okay, these are the same, right? So you're going to write these in to compare the numbers, and you're going to start off by putting the numbers in like this. Okay, and remember your choices. Greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, and I bet you can figure this one out right away. Is 39 greater than 40? Nope. 39 is less than 40. Okay, complete the rest of these on your own, please. And let's go down to look at Puzzle Penguin. Okay, he says that 29 is greater than 36. What do you think? He says, am I correct? No, Puzzle Penguin, I don't think so. Got to help him out. So we're going to draw a picture to show him the correct answer. So let's start off by drawing 29 over here, okay? So how many tens? 2. How many ones? 9. Okay, now let's draw our other number. We have 36. So we're going to start off with our tens, which is 3 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. Okay, you might have already noticed that this one has more tens, right? The number 36 has more tens, meaning it's going to be greater. So we're starting off with 29. We need to put our symbol in the middle. Our choices are greater than, less than, or equal to. But we already decided up here that this is wrong, right? No way. So it's not going to be this one. So we have to decide if it's going to be less than or equal to. Are these pictures the same? Nope. So it's going to be 29 is less than 36. Great job. Okay, down here you're going to compare 26 and 62. So we're going to write in here 26, and we're going to write over here 62. And we have to put in the symbol, okay? So is 26 greater than 62, less than 62, or the same as 62? Put your final answer in there. Talk to you tomorrow, friends. Thank you.